Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and there's something very special about the Cybertruck that really lends itself to be wrapped in a two-tone scheme. Take a look at this one that we just finished wrapping using Nuys Super Gloss Series film, but two-tone. The upper half, as you notice, right from this body line and up, is Super Gloss Blackout, one of the most popular colors to wrap your Cybertruck in. But this customer had a different vision and wanted to do something in a two-tone scheme, and he chose Nuys Super Gloss Urban Bamboo. Now take a look at this section of the truck. Right below this body line, Urban Bamboo that actually changes colors. From certain angles, it's got this teal, almost like an ocean vibe, but then when the sun hits it, it picks up some yellow tones, and it just kind of shifts between all of that. And at night, it's completely different as well. This is a really special two-tone color choice. When the customer was talking to us about it, it seemed exciting, but I don't know if I was really into it. And now that I see that we did it, I absolutely love it. I'd love to hear some thoughts from you guys. What do you think about two-toning a Cybertruck? And then what do you think about these two colors? Before we end out this video, I also want to point out that, as you could see, the windows were tinted because that's a must on a Cybertruck, and the wheels. This customer definitely did not like the 20-inch wheels that came with the Cybertruck. He decided to upgrade one size up to our 22-inch fully forged CT7 wheels, and these wheels are wrapped with the Falcon all-terrain tires. These tires are actually really good looking. It's from their Wild Peak series. It suits the Cybertruck and definitely gives it a much better overall appearance. 22 inches is a sweet spot. We've been talking a lot about 24s, which is my favorite, and I've got it on my Cybertruck, but 22s are nice as well. So 22-inch wheel and tire package, some window tint, and this very beautiful two-tone wrap scheme. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I promise you guys, we have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.